Good morning all of you. In today's performance we are going to practice group discussion. It is the first task of your GTO. In this task you will have to perform total of 2 group discussion. For the first GD, the GTO will give you 2 options. Your group will have to discuss among yourself and choose one topic for the discussion, and you will have to perform discussion till last on the chosen topic. For the second discussion, the GTO will give you one topic, there will be no choice, and you will have to perform the discussion on the same topic. The time limit for the discussion is not sure, it is not fixed. The discussion time may vary from 5 minutes to up to 15 minutes depending on the level of the discussion performed by your group. Each topic will have most of the times 3 sub-leads. It is not compulsory. Sometimes the GT will give you just one topic. It may or may not have sub-leads. Like for example, your topic for today's discussion will be what should be done to further improve our current education system. What should be done to further improve our current education system? First sub-lead is more use of technology. Second sub-lead, upgrading syllabus at regular intervals. And third sub-lead is giving more importance to practical knowledge. I am repeating the topic. What should be done to further improve our current education system? More use of technology, upgrading syllabus at regular intervals, or giving more importance to practical knowledge. You will have to perform discussion on this topic. This topic has 3 sub-leads. You will personally choose one sub-lead and you will tell other group members कि आपकी chosen sub-lead बाकी 2 sub-lead से बेहतर क्यों है. The body language that you have to maintain the discussion will be quite normal. Your feet will be at shoulder level width apart. Your hands will be resting on your lap. Your spine will be straight, and you will have to maintain proper eye contact with the group members only. Use minimum hand gesture because वो show करता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आपके दिमाग में subconsciously you are not yet comfortable with the English language. Is that clear? So I am giving you all 2 minutes to brainstorm your ideas, then we will start the discussion. Okay, ready sir?
Yes, sir.
Start with Julie.
Practical learning is a very important for the development of our country, and education is a weapon to improve one's life, and education improves one's skills, knowledge, and develop the personality also.
Just number 79, I agree with you. We have to first focus on the education of the country because education is the backbone of our country. It plays a vital role in the development of our country. First, we have to improve practical knowledge because practical knowledge improve our skill and it will lead to technological advancements as well as. So, we have to first focus on practical knowledge.
Gentlemen, as you all know that education is a word that has been derived from the word educate. That is mean to facilitate the training. That is a training process that makes us able to think, evaluate and act accordingly. And I believe that if you are using technology in our education system, then that will create a better visualization in the minds of the youngsters and they will be able to think, enact and work accordingly with that. So I believe that technology is the thing on which you should focus mainly.
I agree with chess number 171 that technology should be used in education system. But we have to think that what our fathers have been taught, the same thing we are being taught. So I think that we have to improve the system, what we are listening, what we are being taught. So we have to improve our knowledge, our system of education. So this is the technology by which we can improve our technology because this is the 21st century. We have touched to 21st century, and this is the technology of where we are going to touch the 5G system, internet 5G. But many of the children are not aware of this 5G system. So I think that we have to upgrade our system of technology, we have to upgrade our system of education on time to time because this is what which brings the children into competition.
And over the years our government has also ensured that we should bring more and more technology. That is why we are being taught coding and other things that are related to the technology in our classes.
Gentlemen, but I think that syllabus should be updated accordingly because in our engineering colleges we are still teaching that syllabus which was designed many years ago, and due to which our engineers are not getting jobs except computer science. Other departments of engineering are not getting placements. So I think our syllabus should be updated and then only we can update our education system.
Quite enough for our development.
But still we are lacking behind in the education. Like if you can take the example of the countries which are first on the education system, that is Finland, Norway and other Nordic countries, then we can see that the technological advancement that they are using is far better than us. That is why they are better in education than us. So I believe that technology should be the main priority.
But there is a thing that our technology is improving day by day, so we have to upgrade our education system also because in our syllabus our technology is not updating. in the ground level technology is updating, but in our syllabuses there are not any updatation of technology.
And also recently, in COVID
Because
times, we
this
saw
technology
that
can
students
be
were
there are
reading
many
online and they
aspects of it.
forgot
So we
the
have to
art
first
of
focus on
writing.
practical knowledge.
And I think
Because it will-
best learning, the way of best learning is the classroom learning. And it should be promoted and our syllabus should be promoted. The life skills should be updated in students. We are still giving them that bookish knowledge. And I think syllabus should be updated and we should give them life skills and it will improve
I agree with you. We have to also focus on practical knowledge. Practical knowledge to the people, students, then they will be skillful and they can bring medical technological advances in our country. It will be helpful for our development of the country as well.
In the training system that is focusing mainly on the practical knowledge and upgrading syllabus, but still we are lagging in technology because our classrooms are not up to that technological advancement. However, over the years government has done that. In primary schools we can see that they have imported that smart board and other technologies, and if you are teaching the students by technology, then they will be able to visualize that. They will be able to make a clear picture of that, and if they are taught the technology, then they can learn in a more efficient way.
Generally, if you take the example of developed country, they are more focusing on practical knowledge because practical knowledge makes the students more skillful. And as always,
I am agree with chest number 171, but there is a restriction because in the previous time there were not technology. Still we were having so much great centers like APJ Abdul Kalam and many of the centers we were having because they have been upgraded to the system of education, that what things are being upgraded in our society. So we have to upgrade our children, we have to upgrade our students, and for that we have to upgrade our syllabus first. Then we can go through the technology.
I agree.
The government is working on the syllabus upgradation, as we see in the 2020 new education policy was launched by our
And if we are, I believe that if we are implementing the technological advancement, then that will be a better to digital India, and students will be more and more technological advancement, so they can go to the other countries and work there.
And also, gentlemen, it is written in Bhagavad Gita. Gentlemen, it is written in Bhagavad Gita that परिवर्तन ही संसार का नियम है. So I think that we should continuously change our syllabus and update it so that we can give our students a better opportunity to cope up in this world full of opportunities and diversities.
But without practical knowledge, we cannot develop our mind. We can only use our mind for reading books.
Gentlemen,
But
yes, yes,
when we
yes,
use
yes, yes,
when we use
without
practical
practical knowledge,
we can
there is no
develop our
benefit of
whole body
reading
and
books.
our
If there is no practical
Is it-
education, so there will be no development of skills and other things. So
Gentlemen,
this is the one of the most
that
important
example of unemployment. One of the major reasons for our country. So first people will get practical knowledge, then they can start their own startups.
Technological advancement.
Gentlemen, I want to give you a thing that in our this is not the problem of our education system also, but many things in our training system also. We are seeing that our policemen, they are just doing with the lathi danda, but this is not the time of lathi danda only. We have to upgrade them with the new weapons, with the new type of guns. So we have to upgrade our
Yes,
soldiers,
I agree
we have
with
to
you,
upgrade
gentlemen,
our
and that is possible
students.
only with the technology only. Like we have know that this is the age of technology. Now wars are going with the technology only. So if you are not able to cope up with our students, like they are not being taught technology, then I do not believe that they will be able to survive in this world. So if you want them to survive, if you want them to excel in their life, then I believe that technology should be given priority.
Gentlemen, I agree with you, but if you take the example, ancient scientists, they are more focusing on practical knowledge, and technology are not there at the ancient time. So we have to first focus on practical knowledge because it develop the mindset and make people more
Yes,
successful.
I agree with you, gentlemen, but we should not take the example of ancient scientists because the world has changed, the time has changed. We should now update ourselves and we should come to the technological age, because that is going to be a boon for the society. We cannot take the examples of the ancient scientists because there was no technology at that time. We are living in the 21st century, therefore we should adapt ourselves according to the conditions that are available in this society. So I believe that technology is the need of the hour, it is the need of society, it is the only thing that will upgrade the nation. So technology should be given priority in the education system.
Gentlemen, in recent education reform, it has been seen that government will do reforms on our syllabus and curriculum, because curriculum and framework should include all things. Especially they should focus on practical knowledge also, because if we will change our syllabus, the changing of syllabus includes practical knowledge also. They will also include technology in it, and they will change the curriculum and framework, and they will focus on sports also, because the most of the learning of any person is on the sports ground, not in the classroom. Because when we go out and when we cooperate with persons. When we go out in our society, we have to work in groups. So I think we should change our syllabus, and we should include technology also, and we should also give them the opportunity of meeting with people, and we should change our syllabus to cooperation, and we should focus on life skills also in our syllabus.
I agree with chess number 171, but there is the thing that online system is only a medium to educate the student, but in our society there are teachers. If we upgrade the syllabus, then teachers can also teach the students that what are the things which are being updated in our
I
society.
agree with you, gentlemen, but teachers are not the one who live.
Number 74. Energy level is quite good in the discussion. Stammering third year, you have to work on the fluency part and also on the involvement. Like I told you earlier also, you will have to speak in a way कि अपनी बातों को समझा रहे दूसरों को. Somewhere that is lacking. Content was good, participation was good. You have to work on the vocab also. ठीक है? 163 effectiveness पहले से थोड़ी बढ़ी है, but it is fluctuating. कभी लोग सुन रहे, कभी नहीं सुन रहे. So speak in gaps. Fluency पे थोड़ा work करना है. Stammering काफ़ी हो रही. 171 power of expression was good. Overall performance was good. Effectiveness was also good. One thing you have to work on is कि try to motivate and appreciate others. जो नहीं participate कर पा रहे, like your own participation is quite good. So try to motivate, like system 163 हो गया, 142, 179, 139. इन लोगों को मौके देना start करो. Become a leader like that.
It's time to say that let us give him a chance to speak.
Like system 163 जो आपके जस्ट बगल बैठा है, he also was trying to speak many times, but तुमने ही उसकी बात काट दी. सो इन सच वे जो ऐसे पार्टिसिपेंट हैं जो पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पा रहे खुद की परफॉर्मेंस काफ़ी अच्छी है, बट लीडर वहाँ पे आएगा जो दूसरों को भी मौका देना स्टार्ट करे. योर इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मेंस इज वेरी गुड. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द ग्रुप डायनामिक्स नाउ. 75 पार्टिसिपेशन पहले से बड़ा है, बट इफेक्टिवनेस इज समवेयर लैकिंग. गैप में बोलना स्टार्ट करो. व्हेनेवर यू आर स्पीकिंग, इधर इट इज विद 51 और 171, और दोनों तुमसे बेहतर बोलते हैं. उन लोगों के साथ मत बोलो जो आपसे बेहतर बोल रहे हैं. ऑलवेज जैसे उनकी बात खत्म होने वाली है, उनके पहले बोलना स्टार्ट कर दो. ठीक है? 51 कंटेंट काफ़ी अच्छा था. थोड़ा गैप में बोलना स्टार्ट करना है तुम्हें. कभी कभार लोगों से कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट हो रहा है, अदरवाइज पार्टिसिपेशन वाज ओके. पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन वाज गुड. फ्लुएंसी पे हल्का वर्क करना है. हल्की फुल्की स्टैमरिंग आ रही है, इन्वॉल्वमेंट हल्का और बढ़ाओ. 142 एनर्जी लेवल, कॉन्फिडेंस एंड पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, ओवरऑल अभी वर्क करना है अपनी कम्युनिकेशन पे. 79 इनिशिएशन पे वर्क करना है. पार्टिसिपेशन शुरुआत में था, फिर काफ़ी लास्ट में जाके डिक्रीज हो गया. सो समवेयर द कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल एंड द इन्फ्लुएंसिंग एबिलिटीज लो. 139 इफेक्टिवनेस काफ़ी कम है, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल काफ़ी कम है. पार्टिसिपेशन और फ्रीक्वेंटली करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? कोई डाउट किसी को?
No, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू.